Hi friends, today the new topic is military mortar. It is also known as only mortar. So you see here, this is a part name of this device, blast attenuator device. This is known as sight or fire control system, also known as self illumination sight unit. Okay, now move forward. This is a cannon or barrel. This is spigot and this portion is known as base plate. This is bipod or mount. So what is mortar? Mortar is a simple in design, lightweight and man-portable muzzle-loaded weapon. It consists of many parts you see here, and mortar launch explosive cells. This mortar launch explosive cells, also known as mortar cells or bomb. It is having a high arching ballistic trajectory. This mortar having high arching ballistic trajectory. High arching ballistic trajectory. This is a trajectory you read in 12th class. So it is a high arching ballistic trajectory. It is also used as indirect firing weapon. It is a indirect firing weapon. You know, this is a definition of mortar. Friends, in this mortar, a mortar cell is go inside this barrel or cannon. So this is a mortar cell you see here. Mortar cell. This picture is mortar cell. This is known as impact fuse, high explosive filler, and this rod like is known as burster. This is a additional, this portion you see here, this portion is known as additional augmented propellant charges. Additional augmented propellant charges. This numbers is depend on firing range. So friends, this portion is known as detonator. If this, friends, in this barrel or cannon, this mortar cell is go inside this. If this mortar cell go inside this, then this barrel having a firing pin like this you see here. This cell or barrel having like this, and it is having firing pin. When this pin go inside this detonator, then this detonator is activated and expanding these burnt gases. Friends, again we try to understand you. Here this mortar cell is goes inside this, and this barrel having firing pin like this you see here. If this firing pin is go inside this detonator, then this detonator is activated, and these activated detonators burns the propellant, additional augmented propellants, and high exploding gases. This mortar is inside here, then here high exploding gases is active, and this mortar cell go outside this barrel, like this trajectory. Friends, you see here, only this portion is burst, and this portion is blasted on the target point. So this portion is burst and activated in this barrel and expanding high gases. Due to high gases, this mortar cell go outside this barrel, and you know the action, Newton's third law, action having each and opposite reaction. So if this mortar cell go outside this, then it having also reaction like this. So these high exploding gases reactions against here like this is eliminated by this base plate. Friends, you see here, action having equal and opposite reaction. So this reaction due to high exploding gases is eliminated by this base plate. So friends, if you fit this base plate on the ground, very accuracy, this is important. Friends, these additional augmented propellant charges are depend on the firing range. If higher number of these propellant charges, then higher the firing range. If lower number of these propellant charges, then lower the firing range. Friends, this portion is shown on here. You see here, this portion is shown on here like this. So this motor cell is set of readings here: PRX, NSB, IMP and DLY. What is PRX? If this motor cell is set on this PRX, PRX means proximity. PRX, that means proximity. Friend, proximity. What is proximity? This is a target, your target, and this is a motor cell like this. If target and motor cell having 300 mm distance, then after the 300 distance, this motor cell is blasted. What this motor cell is blasted? If this motor cell is fit on PRX, that means proximity. If this motor cell is set on NSB, that means what? Near surface burst. NSB, that means near surface burst. If this target having less than like this, having less than 300, if between these distance, motor cell and target distance is less than 300 mm, then this motor cell is burst. If this motor cell is fit on NSB, near surface burst. IMP, it is an impact. If motor cell is hitting this target, if motor cell is hitting this target, then this is impacted and blast. If we set on IMP, yani impact. Last topic is delay. If this motor cell is hitting this, and after hitting 5 second, 0.05 second, after hitting this motor cell on target, delay 0.5 second, you know here 0.5 second, then it is blasted. So if motor cell is fit on delay, then if hit the motor cell is here, after 0.5 second, this is blasted. So this is a PRX, NSB and IMP delay. You know very well. Thank you.